We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this museum, located in Los Angeles, California. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names of famous places in the US, so make sure to stay tuned for this. How do you say it? Well, if it was British English, this would be said as the Broad Museum. Now being in the US, you may want to pronounce it with an American English pronunciation, as in the Broad Museum, or the Broad Museum. And now, you know, more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places and cities around the US that many mispronounce and get wrong. You won't after watching this. Do you know how to pronounce this? Well, you will very soon. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.